Principles are not kept for the sake of others. It's about protecting yourself. Now, how would you approach doing business? There's more to life than money. From my experience, having a big house doesn't always mean a good thing. The fact that a car is expensive doesn't guarantee that it's worth the price. In my opinion, one person doesn't need so much money just to survive. People question why Atomy emphasizes achieving the highest position of Imperial Master, earning $100,000 per month, when it seems that no matter how much material wealth you accumulate, you can never be satisfied. I completely understand this perspective. However, helping family members, relatives, and friends in need requires a significant amount of money. I am personally sponsoring 1,000 children using my monthly salary. There's an organization called Compassion. I send $50,000 to 1,000 children through that organization, which equates to $50 per child per month. The funds enable a child to have a full meal every day and provide education and Bible study opportunities. I can ensure that a child receives a nutritious meal and have a good education by spending $50. This motivates me to work hard and spend for those in need, while learning to be content with little for yourself. It's important to have big dreams and a grand vision, and to work hard for those in need around you. Those who disregard principles often struggle, whereas those who do thrive. In Korea, success is achieved only by individuals and companies that adhere to principles. Companies and individuals who do not adhere to principles may achieve short-term success, but in the end, they often face failure. How did Samsung Electronics and LG Electronics become Korea's leading companies and global corporations? They stick to their principles. The company's commitment to ensuring product quality for consumers, maintaining responsible practices, and adhering to principles has ultimately contributed to the success of Samsung Electronics and LG Electronics. Now, how would you choose to run your business? You've heard that some people secure promotions through hoarding and betting, pressuring their partners to spend money. Do you think these people will succeed? Some individuals appeared successful on stage during the promotions, but after a few years, they gradually found the journey too demanding and ultimately decided to give up. Everyone, the Atomy business focuses on helping partners in achieving success and profitability, achieving continuous profitability. How long will it continue to be profitable? We guide and create a system that enables partners to remain profitable for 3 generations, securing profitability until it passes to grandchildren. This is why only those who consistently innovate within such a system can sustain long-term success. It's not about pressuring partners for promotions, rather genuinely supporting them and adhering to Atomy business principles, which leads to long-term success. Everyone, sticking to principles is not for the sake of others, but for yourself. Even if everyone at Atomy doesn't stick to principles, you should be the one who does. Prepare yourself to be someone who fails while sticking to principles. rather than succeeding by abandoning them. Believe firmly that those who adhere to principles will ultimately thrive and achieve success.